Let's be honest, navigating the world of health insurance can be confusing, and sometimes finding an affordable plan feels impossible. That's why Avery Hall Benefit Solutions is here to help.
Yeah, they're especially hoping to walk alongside folks during a season where Medicaid is changing. We'll step inside the office and find a team completely committed to each and every client. Let's learn more now with DelmarvaLife's Katie Zerilli.
Alyssa Sinagra lives to lend a hand, as does the rest of the squad at Avery Hall Benefit Solutions.
I love helping people, and every employee that we have here, I feel that they feel the same way.
And so that's why this is the team to turn to when it comes to help with navigating the world of healthcare. Let's face it, it can be confusing, even more so as of late, as Medicaid is going through an unwinding process. That means it'll no longer be automatically renewed, and some folks who once qualified because of our public health emergency won't qualify anymore.
When they go and update their application and their income is no longer eligible for Medicaid, then they're going to be kicked off of Medicaid and they will have to find affordable health insurance.
The place to do that in Maryland is the state's exchange, the Maryland Health Connection. In Delaware, it's the Federal Exchange.
Both systems are very great. But they can be very complicated if it's not something you do every day.
It's a process they make simple that starts with gathering information from clients, like their income and such.
We plug that income in and we try to find them affordable health insurance in the form of using affordable or advanced premium tax credits. And these tax credits get applied to health insurance premium on the individual health, on the Maryland Health Connection side. And that's what drops the people's premiums to help them be able to afford it.
And their assistance doesn't end there. Once they help folks get set up, they service the accounts from then on out. Their next level dedication is exemplified in numerous ways. One instance that stands out, they had a client who had a baby prematurely. As soon as they found out the baby was born, they added that baby to the family's insurance plan, which brought some relief to the parents during a stressful time.
And they just felt so appreciative of that service that we provide. Now, obviously, we don't know when everybody's children are born, so we can't obviously do that all the time, but, it really stood out to that family that, that we did that for them.
And the best part is that when you work with Avery Hall Benefit Solutions, it doesn't cost you an extra dime.
You're going to pay the exact same price. And so really having someone on your side, and helping you for free, it's a true benefit that people don't even realize is available.
Alyssa says some people who will be losing Medicaid are eligible for Medicare. Avery Hall Benefit Solutions also assists folks with Medicare.
The first step is we educate them. The second step is we show them what their options are.
Alyssa says Medicare can seem complicated, but again, they can help simplify the process.
I try to compare Medicare to your insurance that you have today. And so your insurance today tells you what network of doctors you can have. It tells you this is your copay, this is your deductible. Medicare is the exact same way. So it's really not as complicated, but the process of it can be complicating, like getting yourself enrolled. And then there's other products that go along with Medicare. So you don't just have Medicare all by itself. Medicare doesn't have prescription coverage. So you would have to find a prescription plan. And so, Medicare also has something called a Medigap or a Medicare supplement, which acts secondary to Medicare, which helps pay for the deductibles and copayments. So it can be hard to navigate, what do I need? And so someone who's turning 65 or even someone who's over 65 can reach out to us and we can help them, find the best secondary insurance for their Medicare. And typically they're not very, they're very affordable in my opinion. I think, you can find a pretty good, decent plan for a very, very good price.
By the way, skipping the process entirely, never a good idea.
Not having health insurance can cause people a lot of money. I don't know if you know this, but one of the number one reasons in America of why people go bankrupt is because of not having health insurance.
Which is why Avery Hall Benefit Solutions has built a big team ready to help with needs both large and small.
We have, I think 11 people now that are assisting in this market, and they're all licensed. They're all licensed in life and health, so they're all able to answer questions and help. And they're always here. We strive and we tell people I probably say it a little bit too much, is call us. Call us with any questions you have.
Yes, the world of health insurance can be confusing, but here's what's perfectly clear. When Avery Hall Benefit Solutions is on your side, you're never alone.
And Alyssa has been working at Avery Hall for 17 years.
That's awesome.
It's good to know people who know all the ins and outs.
And it's also good to know people who know how things are changing to help you when you contact them too. That's important.